Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is very important question, that who is the last prophet of God? We have to know and we have to learn these basic information, and we have to teach these information to our children. Who is the last prophet of God? Remember that our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa baraka wa sallama is the last prophet of God, because in the Quran Pak, the Holy Quran, Allah Rabbul Alameen says, Ma kana Muhammadun aba ahadim min rijalikum walakin Rasulallahi wa khataman nabiyyin. That Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa baraka wa sallama is the last prophet of God, and also our holy prophet, peace be upon him, he says, and the saying of our holy prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam called hadith. In hadith, our holy prophet, peace be upon him, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam said, Ana khatamun nabiyyin la nabiyya ba'di. I am the last prophet, and after me there will not be any prophet. So Mirza Qadiani is not prophet, and Mirza Qadiani also is not semi-prophet, and Mirza Qadiani is not also the little prophet, or Mirza Qadiani is non-Muslim, because the main purpose of Islam, the main faith of Islam is this, that Khataman Nabiyyin, who is the last prophet. This is the part of our Iman, our faith, that Khataman Nabiyyin, our holy prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa baraka wa sallama, is the last prophet. After Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, there were caliphate period of 30 years, and inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala I will tell you about the 5 caliph of Islam step by step. First caliph, second caliph, third caliph, fourth and fifth caliph, Hazrat Hassan Mujtaba, who was the son of Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So be careful from these fake caliph, and please spread these information all over the world, and these basic information we have to learn, we have to teach these basic information to our children. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.